Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 23rd of January. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. All the action came from Canada. The Canadian dollar was hit hard by the Bank of Canada's monetary policy announcement overnight. Whilst interest rates were left unchanged at 1.75%, the Bank of Canada made it clear that easing is definitely on the table as they are concerned with unexpectedly softer consumer spending patterns. Consequently, the US CAD jumped approximately about 100 pips, with the pair now trading at 131.40. That was pretty much all that happened overnight. So let us just jump into a trade update. We pulled a trade about a week ago on the GBP CAD. This was the setup. If you go back, have a look. I posted this up as it was happening live. GBP CAD, we were looking to be buyers. Consequently, overnight, look what's happened. So that was the pair that we set up. We triggered, we went up, we got very, very close to our target right here where I got my cursor. Then the market, we didn't trigger our target, came back down, didn't get stopped out, then it moved back up, and look what's happened there. So we've actually hit 2 times target, so in other words T2. So depending how you're trading this, the first target is somewhere in this vicinity there, second target is in that vicinity over there. For the purposes of the daily call, I normally just track the first target. In any case, this trade has hit both. So our first trade for 2020 has been a successful one, so congratulations to all of you who took this one. Let's hope we can find many more. Alright, let's move on and let's have a look at our chart of the day for this morning. Now, incidentally, the chart that I showed you yesterday is still a possibility. It hasn't triggered yet, so keep it in your hot list. If it does pop up, I will bring it back and show it if we can trigger a trade on it. But this morning, the one that I like the most is the Canadian and Japanese yen on a daily time scale. You can see from this chart that we are in uptrend and the market is pulled back, and what I'm really looking for right now is I would like to see some kind of price action reversal form in here, which would indicate a reversal back up and hence a continuation of the trend. It's not set yet. Add it to your hot list. This little candle that I'm pointing at, that's this morning's candle. That'll complete tomorrow morning, and hopefully then we'll have a trigger for what we are looking for. So this morning, our chart of the day, Canadian yen on a daily time scale. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have at 11:30 this morning locally, we have our employment change numbers and our unemployment rate, so look out for the Aussie dollar. Then at 11:45 this evening, we have the monetary policy statement from Europe and the refinancing rate. No expected change on that rate, but let's see what the policy statement says. At 12:30, they'll have the press conference in relation to that statement. Then at 3 o'clock in the morning from the US, we have crude oil inventories. And then the last bit of news happens tomorrow morning at 8:45 from New Zealand. It's the CPI numbers. I'll post it up here just in case I don't post my daily call before it actually happens. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.